Alright, so in this video, we're finding slope or rate of change, because remember slope and rate of change are the same, given a table, so from a table. Alright, so in order to find the rate of change from a table, and normally we use rate of change when we are actually given units, and then slope when we're just given points or a graph with no extra meaning. So find the rate of change of the candle's height between hour 1, so we're wanting to use this here, and hour 4. So we're using the points 1, 22, because on hour 1 our height is 22 centimeters, and 4, 13, because in hour 4 our height is now 13 centimeters. Remember that our table is made of x and y values, and then I would just go ahead and look at your units. So we're working with hours and centimeters. From here, we're basically finding slope. I'm given 2 points. I found the points from my table. And so I'm going to do y, remember y minus y over x minus x. And so I'm going to do 22 minus 13 over 1 minus 4. Excuse me. And it does matter, since I took the 22 first, then I have to take the 1 first when it comes to the x values, because my points should match vertically. So here's 1, 22, and 4, 13. From there, I'm going to do the math. 22 minus 13 is 9, and 1 minus 4 is a negative 3. And then we're going to reduce. 3 divides into both of those, so we end up with 3. I'm going to put a negative in front of everything, over 1, which is equal to a negative 3. So this is my rate of change, right? And so what does that mean in this situation? What that means is the candle burns 3 centimeters every 1 hour, or every hour. But that's what that means. Our candle loses 3 centimeters in height every hour. Our candle burns 3 centimeters in height every hour. However you want to word it, however MathXL words it, right? But you're looking for whatever our unit is, per our y unit, for every per our x unit. All right. That should be the order that they put it in. All right, and that's the last of what we have for today's lessons. So until next time.